Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the best tips and guides for using X. In today's video, we'll show you how to view active connected applications in X. This feature allows you to manage and monitor the applications that have access to your X account. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the app on your device and ensure you are on the home screen. Step 2. Tap on the account icon. The account icon is usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Once tapped, it will open a menu with various account-related options. Step 3. Go to Settings and Privacy. Look for the Settings and Privacy option in the menu and tap on it. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy section of your X account. Step 4. Tap on Security and Account Service. Within the Settings and Privacy section, locate and tap on the Security and Account Service option. This is where you can manage the security settings of your X account. Step 5. Tap on Apps and Sessions. In the Security and Account Service section, find and tap on the Apps and Sessions option. This will allow you to view the applications that are currently connected to your X account. Step 6. Type in the password. For security purposes, you will be prompted to enter your X account password. Simply type in your password to proceed to the next step. Step 7. Tap on Connected Applications. Once you've entered your password, look for and tap on the Connected Applications option. This will display a list of the active applications that have access to your X account, and there you have it. You have successfully viewed the active connected applications in X. This feature gives you control over the applications that can access your account, enhancing your account security. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to view active connected applications in X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more X-related tutorials.